Let's deal with problematic stones, the floating and bouncing stone. Sometimes you can have very round stones that are floating or bouncing around in the bile ducts. They like to go into the intrahepatics. In these occasions, sometimes we don't lose time with using basket, especially if the basket is not going well into the bile ducts and we cannot, even using the wire guided technique, go there. So we can pull the stone down with a balloon and extract it completely with a balloon. But occasionally balloon extraction is still not possible with larger stones, that they will need to have basket to crush them. Therefore, using the combo, first over the wire, balloon, bringing the stone into an area where you can catch it nicely with your basket,